Hi, my name is Mark Schaefer with Full Frame Studios, and guess what arrived today? It's the Sirui 75mm anamorphic lens from China. On tracking it said it was going to arrive on Monday, but it's, what's today, Thursday? Wow, it arrived a couple days early. And last time I checked it, it went from China to Alaska to Tennessee as of like this last night, and somehow they must have just flew it directly to me. They're like, Mark needs this lens, get it over to him quick. So let's do this unboxing real quick and get on with it. Alright. Okay, this looks like a little bit different than last time. We got some bubble wrap. Okay, let's go with the bubble wrap stuff here. Oh, tough, very tight fit. That's good, very tight fit. Out of the way. Alright, okay, so we just pull this sucker out here. Boom. Glad I'm doing this for you guys so you guys know exactly how to do this. Alright, so it says it right here. 75mm f1.8 anamorphic lens. Yay. Okay, so yes. This is my fourth lens. My fourth lens I got from Sirui. And they've all been great. And here we go again. Okay. Sorry, dog. Didn't mean to hit you. Oh, I forgot. They got little safety tabs over here too. I think there's two of them. Nope, there's only one this time. Okay, that's why it didn't come out. All right. How do you get this out? Oh, very tight fit, Siri. Okay, so we have a case. Nice little casey thing. Cool. A card. Service card. Okay, that's good. I have a lens. It's packaged up, and what I have here, something to cut it. All right, let's go. Don't need that. All right, here we go. Okay. Got the lens cap. Let's see how we can get this thing off. Okay. Yes. And lens cap. And this time I got micro 4/3 mount. This is the first time I've exclusively got the micro 4/3, and right now we are shooting on the Panasonic G85 4K camera. So we'll go ahead and get that camera going, and we'll put the sucker on there and get some test footage.